Welcome, nice trading bros and ladies. Welcome back to another incredible video and welcome to another wonderful sunny day. And welcome back on my channel, Nice Trading Bro. Our topic today is again Jasmy coin. And before we start, guys, ladies, please do me a favor, leave a thumbs up, and you would really support me. You would make some noise for the YouTube algorithm. And also, if you're new here on this channel, smash up the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. And let's start with today's TA on Jasmy coin. So we are starting here on the smaller time frame on the 15-minute. I already made here a support box or a trading box. So Jasmy is bouncing and trading between support and resistance. So let's make one below green for support and here one for resistance in red. Actually, it is bouncing and trading in this box around 6.6%. So if you would have made here a trade, then that would be one perfect trade from the downside or from this bottom to the top. Also, or that would be a good long position. Here you have a perfect short trade and again a wonderful long trade. So right now it's again try to test maybe this level. Actually right now here is some resistance coming in and we try to retest this level here above. So now you have again two scenarios. First one, Jasmy coin can really break above this level of 0.0215. So if it will break out, I will show you the next price target. The second scenario is Jasmy coin will fail, because if we zoom in, you see right now here it really struggles in fighting with this area. So the second bearish scenario is that it will at least come down to retest again the EMA ribbons, or maybe to one of these Fibonacci levels. That is actually here the golden pocket, or it will also come down again to this support level at 0.0202. So right now let's zoom a little bit out. Maybe on the 4-hourly you can see this better. So what would be the next price target? So if it can really break above this resistance level, the next price target would come in here at the 0.5 Fibonacci level. This is at 0.022. So that is actually the next level. Then you have, of course, the other Fibonacci levels, 382 and 236. But for right now, first it really has to break above this one. Otherwise, again, a retest from the lower Fibonacci levels is very possible. So that would be, or that could be, from the breakout, a good entry for a for a trade. So I would say a price target to the 0.5 Fibonacci level is pretty possible. So therefore, from the breakout, approximately that could be a 6 to 7% gain. That on leverage, for example, 10x, then you have 60 to 70%. The stop loss, in my opinion, I would do this slightly below the email ribbons. Also, you can put this in the or under the email, the golden pocket, but I prefer not a too big stop loss. But guys, ladies, this is just my humble opinion. This is, as always, no financial advice. I'm no financial advisor. Always do your own research and your own due diligence. So you can do the opposite. If it will break again below the golden pocket, then of course you can open a short position. So that is maybe not a too big trade, very risky because of your stop loss. Therefore, in my opinion, I would not short this one because the risk to reward ratio is not pretty good. So maybe just if it will break below the previous support one, then maybe it is a opportunity to short Jasmy. But I would definitely stay on the sideline and not short it. So if we zoom out a little bit more, here on the daily chart, I showed you already in my last videos that a potential cup and handle pattern could be forming right now. But the point is that Jasmy can really form this cup and handle pattern. Now it has to move in the price. So that is really the point. If it's just consolidating here in this area, then this pattern definitely will not play out. But we will have to wait and be patient for the next hours and days if this one could really play out. If it will play out, the price target would be here at 0.47. So that from the point it is trading right now would be more than 2000%. It is right now here. So that is the right one. So 2100%. That is the possible price gain. So, guys, ladies, thank you very much for watching. As always, no financial advice. Always do your research and make sure that you now smash the like button. So leave a thumbs up, and also if you're new on this channel, subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell. So you will get always a notification if I upload a new video about some trending altcoins like Jasmy, Doge, Steppen, GMT, and stuff like that. Also, if you want to trade, check out my links in the description. You can trade this on Phemex and Bybit. You can trade this on leverage, of course. For this also can be pretty risky, but also you can buy this on spot and just hodl. So Thank you much for watching, and we see us in the next one of Nice Trading Bro. Peace out, guys and ladies.